Ka jing pen kre nak menta ban penya chakmat ya ka Meghalaya Games ha ka sin pen long ka basan ye kini kelampong kelalong ka babiang lut na dong syadong na ka menta ki Nongyalam bat kum juru ki Ialehkai bat ki Jaka Ialehkai ya ka Meghalaya Games menta ka senam lapat long hatura harilum garo ka ba on Ialehkai ha ki khanru Tylli ki Jaka Ialehkai ha ka balabu hadu arpulai Tylli ki Ialehkai ba pher ki bani sim penta da ki lai Hajar Ngut ki Nonggialehkai kentup ya ki kentai bat ki senrang Laru ban kedau bagi jing penlong ya ka Meghalaya Games ha kene kesnem kalong babiang tambani nujor bat ki weipat kisin penlong ha kisnem ki baladam. Yingni la sakhi dau menteri rang ba mal pediang sngewbha ya barok ki noi sim benta ki balwan poi han nong ba tura ha ka step jong sngewbha. Ha ka jing don lang jong ki Nongyalam jong ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association MSOA harangkat ki bor pinya district jong ka West Garo Hills district ha ISBT tura nak benta kene ke lempung ke banne barok syete yo lenter. Lese kan long ke jingsa ajing kan mau hai ne ke sin penlong ya ka Meghalaya Games ka bala penlong ha ka Nongyalam jong menteri rang ba Konrad ke sangma ba ka presiden jong kari ka Draupadi Murmu kan sawan ha PA sangma stadium hatura ban sakilang ha ke ne ke lempong badru ban pelipaj ba ya ke ne ke lempong Ialehkai la ru ban kro bhaswa ka jing pen Ialehkai ya ke Ialehkai ba pher la pelipaj ba ya ke Jaka Ialehkai do menteri rang ba ka jelau Konrad ke sangma ha ka jing ya sikilang jong menteri ki kam Ialehkai uba syakliar warjri lembat kiwi ki officer na kita nak trikam jong sarkar yegini Jaka Ialehkai ke bala pelipaj ba ha ka khat ar tarik ukulal kot Hajar pusau la tip kerteng ye ka kum ka patogan neng minja sangma athletic stadium ka badan hatura ha West Garo Hills district.
We are very pleased to inform all the citizens of especially Tura town, the Garo Hills region and the state as a whole that the athletic track and field stadium was inaugurated today here in Tura, and this is state-of-the-art stadium with facilities and the qualities that are at national and international level, and this has been completed in a record time. We wanted to complete this before the 5th Meghalaya Games, and we are happy that we were able to do it, and I must congratulate the Honourable Minister as well as the entire sports department for having completed this stadium on time, and so that we can now use it for the 5th Meghalaya Games, which will start from the 15th of this month. This is one of the stadiums apart from many more which we are constructing throughout the state. In the next few months we will see number of stadiums being inaugurated in Jaintia Hills and in Khasi Hills regions also, and at the same time within the next 2 years we will see the state-of-the-art indoor stadiums in Shillong and Tura also being completed very soon. While we were trying to build this particular stadium, but it is because of the relentless efforts that were put in by the minister and by the officials, by the engineering department of the sports department, that we were ultimately able to complete the first phase of this project on time. Just to share with all of you that there is a second phase for this project. On my left side, once we started removing the mud and the small mountain, whatever the hill out there, we realized that there was an opportunity to build up an entire gallery. So in the second phase, we are expecting to put up a full gallery out there with certain shops and certain areas for rooms and facilities, so that this place can be used for many other programs, and not just sports programs, but even if possible, if the technology and the rules allow, then even other events in the long run, so that we can get the maximum utility from the infrastructure and the investments that have been made in this particular place. You will also be happy to know that it is not just this stadium But the government of Meghalaya in the last 5 years has ongoing projects of more than 500 crores in the sports department, and in the pipeline we have hundreds of more crores of projects that are coming up. As we speak, within 15 days from now, we will be inaugurating another stadium in Jente Hills, in Hajar constituency, in Nartian constituency in the Hajar village, where state-of-the-art stadium has been built, where there is track and field and a football stadium, as well as a gallery that has been set up out there. Whether it is in sports, whether it's in music through grassroots Meghalaya music program, whether it's through entrepreneurship, through the Prime program, and now the CM Elevate program, many such areas we are seeing our youth are able to really come out and be able to perform very well. And as mentioned, whether it's music or sports, we expect that we will be able to soon see many of our youngsters at the regional, national, and even international level.